So what kind of mowers will fit on this?
You know what? Literally anything will fit on it in the turf industry. We've put motorcycles on it, lawn mowers, snow blowers. We've put 72-inch wide lawn mowers, front and under deck both. Like you can see right now, we have a zero turn on it. And I think this unit's a 60-inch, which is very popular in the industry. The very first thing we ever loaded on a turf rail was a 17-foot cut Toro Tier 4 Groundsmaster diesel, and it was massive. And to see this thing come in and load on the turf rail was awesome. It actually has a 95-inch wide approach area, but if you've got a wide deck, it can hang out front. It can hang out in front of you.
Okay. Now, how would I get a wheel off when using the turf rail?
Well, there's a few different ways. We have 2 jacks that we brought to the show that we're going to show today that are scissor jacks. One has a 4,000 pound capacity and one has an 1,100 pound capacity. And then you can also put under hoist stands underneath the lift, and then find your lifting point and then bring the unit down onto the stands and then lift the wheels off the unit to be able to do service.
Wow. Now, what lifts can the turf rail fit on?
You know, any lift that can be set up in a symmetric design. So on a lift, its arms either lay asymmetric of the columns or symmetric. Some lifts have the ability to have an asymmetric and a symmetric design. We call those versymmetric. But if a lift can be set up symmetric, then we can fit most any lift that can be set up symmetric.
Now, where could I find the turf rail?
You know, you can find the turf rail from our company, Indiana Automotive Equipment, or you can go on turfrail.com and find the turf rail there. It's also sold through the Challenger lineup of lifting equipment. You can find it in Napa, O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advance Auto Parts, Pep Boys, and through your Snap-on distributors across the country. You can also find it through SVI, which is the largest provider of automotive lifting parts in the country. And they have 3 locations, one Midwest, one on the East Coast, and one on the West Coast.
Alrighty. Thank you, Shane.
Yeah, thank you.